Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here and I'm going to use my pretend hand. If I was making it for myself or someone else, obviously once I know how to do it properly, I would carry on. But you've got to take the loop. I'm just going to take this out there. The loop, it's got to roughly go where the bracelet is. Can you see the loop? There's the bracelet. So what you do, you take your strands and we're going to tie those and those, just cross over like this. So we've just got a knot there and a knot there. Now we thread this just a tiny bit through here, about that much, to make a loop. If you're going to make this design, use a thicker thread, not a 0.8 like I've done. It'll be much quicker. I mean, this must have taken me about an hour to do. So if you were hoping to make them to sell, obviously I know as you go on you get quicker, but you know, you're not going to make any profit. So I would definitely go for a 2mm thread. So there I've threaded it through like that. Okay, so we're going to thread the strands through that hole. Missing one. Let's get that one through. So there's the strands through. We're just gonna go put that back through. Pull it through. So let's put it on the wrist. Let's say we need to get it to where, like, the largest size for on and off the wrist. So I think that will probably be a little bit larger. So there's our hand. And then what we're going to do in each of the strands here is, so we're going to make, just go around your finger, a knot in each 4 strands. Try to get it as close as possible. So there's one. That's the other one. I'm going to use that again. Just to bring that knot up to there. So you can get them all in the same line. It needs to come up further. with the lilac. The other one. So there's our 4 knots. Scissors. I went to get a pair of scissors and then my storage was full. So what I did was I just snipped off the 4 ends after the knots. You can put some clear glue on the end. So we just take our wrist and you just pull to tighten however you want your bracelet to be. That's what the underneath looks like. And that's the stitch. Definitely not perfect, but for a first attempt, it's not that bad. So thank you for watching, take care, and as always, happy crafting.